Aumente o volume, aumente o volume.
Mais um show com a qualidade.
Aqui toca só as melhores.
Throwing on my gear, I have to find a job to make a career. It's something that I feel I really have to do, cause I wanna survive just like you. So my kids could have their shoes and my lady wear the best. I might as well get out and scramble with the rest. Scrambling, scrambling on the sea. Scrambling out to get all the green. Scrambling out here in the street. Scrambling to stay on my feet. Scrambling every day of my life. Scrambling, coping with the stress and strife. Scrambling, searching for the truth in life. Is a thing that every man knows. Working so hard, gotta keep it going. Scrambling out there to make things meet. Scrambling to the beat till you reach the peak. You see, you scramble so you don't have to rob or kill. Scramble for real, no time to ill. Cause a man has to scramble every day of his life in order to support his child and wife. So it doesn't matter what kind of work you do, cause whatever it is, you're scrambling to. You gotta face the facts in the prime of your life. Do you wanna be scrambling for the rest of your life? has to know. To the boss that runs the show. Policeman walking on the beat, a street hustler hanging on the scene. To the doctor that kills the pain, to the superstar that claims the fame. The DJ playing what you haven't heard. The preacher man that spreads the word. People living under a lot of light. Who stand for human rights? For the people who work all night while other people party to the early light.
People often say Akeem's the remedy for pumping up a show. People often say Akeem's a fly MC, but that you already know. Hurry up. With the Queen standing on our side, you know he can't be denied, yeah. While he's cutting tracks and records directly to the side. We are the brothers. The brothers. Yeah. The brothers. Hurry up.
Others make no difference, none, not one. The brothers have more fun. So go ahead, be led, and talk against me. Have your man join, you won't convince me. Free and brotherhood, not just any. For you, a crew of three, too many. Allows me to sit a bit, have a cola, and stand this Narkim, the mic controller. You can't plan, stop lying, you. Get it straight or I'll start and iron you. Bury your mic on land, an acre, then motivate with Akeem, the rhythm maker, to cool out or work on the theme with the new member, DJ Supreme, the brothers. You ought to hear this and gotta fear this. It wouldn't be too smart to come near this. Why? The brothers, we remain to continue. Others hide behind the big menu. Look, listen, and you better respect. If you didn't know, the mind does dissect. If you're in the clouds, it's time that I ground you. Meaning, I'm four walls around you. Here's where you become claustrophobic. Wanna be a ballerina? That's the wrong pick. Cause you'll leap till you finally cry. Yo, here's a way out, Narkim. May I keep your come-ons and old boys understand that the brothers still make noise. Doubt, do it out. It won't help doubting. Push comes to shove. I move a mountain. Rise to say morning. Moms and pops open the front door. Traffic stops like it's a powerful word. People look when I call. Frightened, break north and call long go off. So put it as I put it. Simply plain, you feel you reign supreme. You don't reign. Trying to be fly. I got a web for you. Get caught. That's when your ticket to doom is bought. Here's the comp, you see. I'm here, don't peek. Action is satisfaction. Word to we're ripping things. Deal with it and realize who put fear in your eyes. The brothers.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, it's like we scientists, biologists. Yo, we got a master's degree and a PhD. You know what I'm saying? But first of all, we're the remedy for the party. The party.
Let's get it on. Come upon what's happening here. I'm speaking to make what I say clear. Bronx boys that never ran or will. So get hip about Bronxville. Forget about the buildings. Talk about the real things. What times brought you learn. We talk. Now instead you forget who led you. It's an error. Biting the hand that fed you. The boogie down. We mow your lawn and we know that we grow to rock on and on and on. Take offense, get tense. Don't relax this. Rap here has a climax. So get touch, smell or taste it, whatever. But see where we placed it. Look at you. Did we begin it? It's like quicksand. You're knee deep in it. The brothers.
I'm a king, other known as a sire. I help Egyptians build a Roman empire. I can rock forever. yes forever. You think I am hot? I just begun to simmer with Lashim and Shakim and Supreme and me, Akeem. We all come together as a kick and live posse. A word 'em up, so bust this. And DJ Daquan is cooling out there in Little Hollywood. Word up. B-Boy Records, Boogie Down Production. My little man Ali is cooling out there. Can't forget K-Rock Studio. Red Alert's on point. Word up, word up, word up. The brothers. P.
DJ Renato Lopes, o dinossauro do som.
Festa da Cidade. Uma festa no seu rádio.
Festa da Cidade.
dinossauro do som.